Hello lovelies. So I have a surprise today. So I think it was late last year, Kaisercraft did their mystery boxes for $39.95 or $99, one or the other. And they looked really cool, but I missed out. So they advertised them again not long ago. So I had to snag one, and I got lucky. I was able to get one before they went out of stock again. So I thought I'd open it up with you. Now I haven't opened it yet, so it's going to be a bit of a surprise. So this is the box. So let's have a look and see what's in it. Ooh. How do we?
Hello.
Hello, William. All right. Ooh, here we go. So it opens up. All right. So let's just check that's in frame. Alright, cool. Alright, so we've got lots of wood veneer. Lots of wood veneer. So we've got iPod, apples, butterflies, a big vine, some birds, leaves, some flourishes, seagrass, and baby faces. Like I said, this was $39.95 or $39.99, so $40, and I think they said there's like $150 worth of value in here, so far it's looking like, you know, totally worth the money. Some bling. I love these. I can never get enough of these. Some collectibles from the anthology collection. I love these, and I would definitely be able to use these. These are die cut pieces from the Game On collection. This is great for all wheels soccer stuff. Some cards. Love you, Mum. Hang in there. Leave a little sparkle wherever you go, and thank you for all your love. So Kaisercraft have recently started doing cards and things as well, which is really cool. Color pencils. Ooh. A journal, medium lined journal. Oh, that's nice. Some blank cards and envelopes. Alright, some clear stamps. So Christmas edition and Factory 42. Ooh, a diamond die. I don't think I have that one. Whimsy Wonders colouring book, one of the little ones. Paper pad, that's quite nice. 6x6 paper pad from Bombay Sunset. Let's see if we can open that up. Oh, that's nice, and it's got gold foil on it. So 2 ink pads, one of the old ones in Ireland, and one of the new ones in blush. So this will be really good because I really did want to try these. So I will yeah, I'd like to give those a go. I'm glad I got one in here before I went and bought a bunch, so that's pretty cool. Oh, 2 colour books. So we got Treasure Island colouring book, and then Tiny Woods colouring book. Oh, that's nice. I'd like to scan some of these, maybe for my journal, or, you know, my art journal, or even a scrapbook page. There's some pretty cool stuff in there. Alright, so that is everything in the $39.95 mystery box from Kaisercraft. So it's definitely worth the money. And if you don't mind not knowing what you're going to get and, you know, enjoy a surprise, which I do, it's, yeah, definitely something you should, you know, treat yourself to. Yeah, I was kind of bummed that I didn't get them when they're first in stock, but kind of very excited when I saw that they were back in stock and I was able to snag one. So very, very cool. And shipping was very fast as well. So yeah, well, that's in Australia at least. So thanks for watching, and I'll be back real soon with a new video. I am going to start our challenge series this week, so hopefully that'll be the next video. All right, bye for now.